In my previous 12 videos, I've been concentrating on utilizing Gemini gems. We've used them to build policies, protect our brand, and automate repetitive tasks. But today, we're looking at something different, NotebookLM. Now, while gems are brilliant for individual tasks, NotebookLM allows us to step back and look at the bigger picture. We're moving from single task AI to multi-source strategic intelligence. So today, we're building the Institutional Intelligence Hub. Let's get to work. So why do we need a hub? Well, most school data stays in silos. Your strategic plan is in one PDF, your last inspection report is in another, and your staff survey results are buried somewhere in a spreadsheet. To lead effectively, you need synthesis. NotebookLM doesn't just summarize these documents, it connects them. It allows you to ask, based on our survey results, where does our current strategic plan fail to address staff well-being? It turns a pile of paper into a queryable brain. Now, the engine here is different. While Gemini is a brilliant generalist, NotebookLM is a dedicated analyst who only knows what you give it. It is source grounded. Every answer it gives comes with a citation that takes you directly to the source. In a world of AI hallucinations, the hub is your anchor to the truth. So let's have a look at NotebookLM and the intelligence hub that I've already built for St. Algorithms International. Now, building your hub in NotebookLM is simple, but it is deeply strategic. We aren't just uploading files, we are curating context. Now, this area on the left is where we upload. And I've already uploaded 3 documents to the hub, the St. Algorithms Inspection Report, Strategic Plan, and the Staff Wellbeing Survey. If I want to add more, I just click on Add Sources and provide the hub with my curated content. And there's lots of ways that you can get your context or your documents into NotebookLM. Here are the options here, or you can just drag and drop in. In this middle section, you can see that the hub has already built a high-level briefing of how these 3 disparate files actually overlap. But the hub isn't a passive archive, it's an active participant in your leadership team. Because it is source grounded, I can now perform triangulation at scale. So here at the bottom, I'm going to ask the hub, compare the staff survey concerns with our strategic plan. Where are the gaps? So I press the little arrow or I press enter and it has a little think. Now, when we see this, here we go. It doesn't just give me generic AI opinion. It gives me evidence. It's pulling a specific line from the survey regarding change fatigue and contrasting it directly with our objective one of our plan or whatever it might be. But what you can see is that every claim comes with a citation, these little numbers. They are your anchor to the truth. It takes you directly to the source, ensuring your decisions are always grounded in reality and not hallucinations. But the hub isn't just for reading. The studio over here on the right allows us to transform this data instantly. This is what I call information liquidity. Need a strategic briefing doc for the governors that synthesizes these 3 sources into one page? Well, that's just one click. Now, I've got one available for you here, but the way I created this is under reports. If I click here, I've got lots of different options I can choose from. And these little edit buttons here allows me to refine it further. I could even change the language if I wanted to. So that's the report. Or perhaps you need to turn a dry 50-page policy into a realistic 2-person podcast debate so you can digest the core strategy during your morning commute. Well, that comes under audio overview just here. And again, I've already got one available for you to have a listen to. And if I click on this, you can see the options we've got. We can make it short, a little bit longer. There's different options here. And again, I could have it in an alternative language should I wish. This isn't just about convenience. We are making the school's most dense, frozen data accessible and liquid for the people who actually need to make the decisions. We are moving from having the data to owning the insight. So before I show you how to access this intelligence hub that I've set up for St. Algorithms, let's look at the hub in action for a senior leader using the very data we've uploaded. Now remember, when we ask the hub a question, it's only scouring the resources we have provided. It isn't checking the web or drifting into outside data. It is locked strictly into the context that we have curated. So I'm going to add this question into the chat section of NotebookLM, and it says review the staff survey results alongside our budget. What are 3 low-cost ways we can address the change fatigue mentioned by teachers? Now, before we hit submit, note that this isn't just a generic prompt. It is a targeted, source-grounded query that ensures every decision you make is anchored in the actual evidence of your school. Now it's going to have a little think. It's going through these documents here, and here we go. Now, rather than just going into this right now, what I'm going to show you is that you aren't just leaving this in your chat thread. If I scroll down to the very bottom, there's this Save to Note button. With one click, which I'm going to press now, and you can see it says generating note. It's just appeared over here. You can pin this response to your save notes in the studio over here. You are taking the liquid information and solidifying it into the actual foundations of your next staff briefing or strategy update. So if you'd like to have a play with the Institutional Intelligence Hub that I've set up for my fictional school of St. Algorithms International, all you need to do is click on the link in the video description below. Just be aware that you'll have read-only access. Now this means that you'll be able to see the sources here on the left, but you can't add more. You can ask questions of these sources here in the middle. But in terms of the studio on the right, read-only means you won't be able to add new content. Instead, you'll be able to access the studio resources that I've already created. Now, despite it being read-only for you, hopefully it'll demonstrate the power of NotebookLM and inspire you to create an intelligence hub for use in your own school. Finally, the most essential part of any AI architect's role, ensuring the human in the loop. Because while the hub can synthesize data, it can't lead a community. It offers a speed, but we provide the direction. To ensure this tool remains a servant to our mission and not a replacement for our judgment, we follow 3 core principles. First, strategic grounding. You decide which sources are truth. The hub is only as smart as the documents you choose to feed it. Second, human-led synthesis. The hub sees the patterns, you see the people. You decide if the AI synthesis aligns with the lived reality of your school's culture. And thirdly, ethical architecture. You manage the privacy. As an architect, you ensure that institutional intelligence never compromises individual privacy. The Institutional Intelligence Hub isn't just about working faster. It's about leading with greater clarity and confidence. By moving from scattered documents to a grounded, synthesized truth, you aren't just managing information, you are building the future of your school. Thanks for watching. I'm AI Theory Guy, and I'll see you in the next one.